Welcome to the Godoy Method, how to get what you want from AI. This 5-step process is designed to help you get precise, professional results from AI every time, with no coding required. Sound familiar? You type a question, and the AI gives you a useless answer. This happens because most people use a vague search engine. The solution is the Godoy Method, a repeatable 5-step structure that gives AI the structure it needs to deliver professional-grade responses. The Godoy Method is comprised of 5 steps: assign a role, define objective, set constraints, require clarification, and verify results. This structure ensures you're giving the AI enough context and direction. Step 1 is to assign a professional role. Tell the AI who it needs to be before it responds. This sets the expertise level, tone, and perspective. Without a role, the AI defaults to a generic voice, which is rarely helpful. Step 2 is define the objective. State precisely what you want the AI to do, specifically, not vaguely. A focused objective prevents the AI from drifting into irrelevant territory, ensuring the output matches your actual goal. Step 3 is set constraints. Explain your limits, preferences, and non-negotiables up front. Constraints help the AI stay within practical boundaries, avoiding suggestions that are impractical or off-topic. Step 4 is require clarification. Force the AI to ask you targeted questions before it begins working. This prevents the AI from guessing what you need and ensures the final response is tailored to your specific situation. Step 5 is verify the results. Instruct the AI to review its own output before delivering it to you. This self-check step reduces errors, catches incomplete steps, and produces a more reliable and polished final response. Here is a complete Godoy Method prompt for a home repair scenario. It includes the role, objective, constraints, clarification, and verification steps. Notice how detailed and specific the instructions are. That's the Godoy Method, 5 steps, no coding required. It works for clinicians, creatives, and first-time AI users alike. Incorporate these 5 elements into your next prompt for immediate improvement in your results. Contact Pedro Godoy to schedule a professional AI training session today.